And hello there. Today is November the 28th. It is Cyber Monday. So you probably done some shopping online. Well, I was doing this juicing thing and I should have started recording in the beginning, but I didn't think about it. So I had gone out and done some of my own kind of cyber shopping. I'm always cyber shopping. And there's this place called Half Off of Half Off. And in Lewisville, Texas on I-35. And you can find all kinds of things because they buy out department stores, leftovers, I want to call it, or sometimes the clothes may be slightly damaged, but they're not something that will prevent you from wearing it. I've gotten some Tommy Hilfiger and is it Diane von Furstenberg? I don't remember. Anyway, I've gotten some really nice clothes from them, and they also have appliances. And this is a Jack LaLanne juicer. Now, I've avoided buying juicers, but my girlfriend was telling me, and other people have done it, and I just said, okay, because the price was right. Now, it tells me that, I don't know if I can get that to show, but it says right over here, right there on the side, that it's 100, there it is. Let's see. Focus, there it is. $120 regular, right? So I figured I had a really great deal. Okay, focus again. All right, so I had a really great deal. And so I said, okay, I'll try it for $29. Well, I was at Nebraska Furniture Mart here in the Colony, and they had them also for $39. So I still saved $10, no matter what. But I have held off because I said there's a lot of waste with juicing. You see, I've got my NutriBullets right there because it gives me all my fiber. So I can make a drink with, 2 carrots, an apple, some fruit, a beet, some little bit of celery, whatever, and have a really good drink. Well, I said, all right, I'm going to do this. So I had 4 pounds of carrots, 4 pounds of regular carrots, not baby carrots, but regular carrots. And I juiced them. I took 2 beets, about this size, 2 beets. I took apples, 2 of them. See, nice sized apples. 2 of them, and juiced them up. 4 pounds, right? Now, imagine, they come in 2-pound bags, so think about that 2-bag of carrots. And I did an inch. Here's some ginger. So I did about an inch of this, so about this much, about half this thing. So I did about half of that, right? And this is the amount of juice that I got, right? And there's a little foam on top of that, but that's what I got. Now, this juicer didn't come with a cup, so I had to put my measuring cup underneath it. But I said, okay, I got that amount of juice, and let's see, this is a 2-cup measuring cup, right? So I got about 2.5, 3 cups of juice out of this. I'm going to add the celery, to add a little bit of the celery stuff to it. The beets and the apples make it sweet. But here's what I want to show you. Look what you throw away. Look at all of that good fiber. And it's really dry, so they've gotten all the juice out of it. But that's the fiber that's thrown away. So I'm going to go on the internet. I know I saw a way to make crackers out of this, because otherwise it's going to go in my compost bin. This is good. Even though I did not peel the carrots, it's okay. The skin, I washed them really good, so they'll still be good. But I'm going to find, I know I saw a recipe for making crackers out of this stuff. So I'll try to remember to videotape making the crackers, especially if I do it today. But I just wanted to show you that I will still, if I get carrots or celery or stuff really inexpensively, I will juice it down. But I mean, that's a concentration of a lot of vitamins and minerals from the vegetable and the fruit. But still, it's not going to fill me up very much. So I probably will, yes, get right back to using my NutriBullet. I haven't been juicing much lately. But I'm going to try the juicing with the kale from the garden. So yeah, getting this stuff from the garden, I still would need to grow a whole lot. I mean, I've got those carrots growing in the garden, but they would be used up with this in no time flat. Or my tomatoes or anything will be used up quickly. And all this fiber unnecessarily goes down the drain. And it is absolutely good for you. But if I get apples really inexpensively, I can make apple juice. But guess what? I'm going to take what's left of the apples and I'm going to put it in a pile so I can show you how to make apple cider vinegar from scratch. I made a batch. And I've tested it, and so I will be showing you. I've been saving my apple scraps, my peelings, my cores, because it's called apple scrap vinegar. So I will get to showing you how to do that in another video. But this is just an update with my new Jack LaLanne juicer. I don't know how often I'm going to use it, but it's here and available to me to make use of. Oh, and it works okay. Some people have said, oh, you need the most expensive kind, but this functions for what I'm going to do and how often I'm going to do it. If I was going to do this every day for all my fruits and vegetables and start buying stuff by the case, then I would invest in a heavier duty type of juicer. But this thing really juices it out and gives you really good pulp. Anyway, that's it for the day. As you have believed, let it be done to you, and it is so.